Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the luxurious comfort of the Kidirect 87-inch green sofa, a masterpiece of modern design and comfort for your living room. This oversized loveseat boasts 21-inch extra deep seats and plush 18-inch cushions, providing unparalleled support and comfort, perfect for lounging, reading, or enjoying a cozy nap. Crafted from soft, breathable corduroy, this sofa not only offers a tactile delight but also ensures durability and temperature regulation, making it a year-round favorite. With a robust construction capable of supporting up to 800 pounds, this sofa promises stability and longevity, accommodating up to 3 adults without a wobble. The tool-free assembly is a breeze, taking just 15 minutes with 2 people, ensuring you can enjoy your new centerpiece without hassle. Its sleek lines, wide armrests, and high-quality solid wood legs add a touch of elegance, making it a versatile addition to any room, whether it's a living room, bedroom, or office. With a commitment to high efficiency after-sales service, Kidirect ensures that your satisfaction is their top priority, making this sofa not just a piece of furniture, but a cherished part of your home. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.